So we're going out to the Garden of the Gods, Illinois version. It says 96 miles an hour and 42 minutes. Arrival time at 9:09. It is currently, what temperature? 63. So the Bucky's Cup meets the Lightning again.
Yeah, by golly. Back home.
Yep, right where we began. We have a sticker added to the collection too, though. This is Love Road. I love it. It's like
Colorado. There's men in the forest. Isn't that how Bambi in the movie Bambi, Bambi's mom? There's man in the forest. Probably all kinds of deer down through there. So we move on.
It's a bird, it's a plane, it's no I pass gas in Metropolis, Illinois. Oh, you got a shiny one too. Let's see. What is it? Can't tell which one. Oh, there we go. Cool. Okay, here we are at the Mount Marion, Illinois site. We got the magic doc going on here. Let's see if we can figure that out. Oh, here, you gotta hold on. It's not working. Okay, that's good. Oh my God, that's not it. It has to pull the adapter out. See how there's this extra piece?
Yeah.
So
Here it says hold down for 2 seconds.
now pull down. I hear it too. There you go. Whew. No, you're good.
I just got the adapter.
I'm so excited.
Tell?
This is a really good site. It's got trash cans and magic docks in Marion, Illinois. Just talked to his Tesla Model 3 owner. He's from Kentucky. Awesome. And he's got a teenager that's so embarrassed. It's okay. We all got one of those, don't we? It's supposed to be really easy. There we go. That was easy. That's how easy it's supposed to be. And then you just plug in. Okay, here we go. So you just have to look for that magic dock. It's called Magic Dock. It's so magical, right? Marion, Illinois, May 27th, 27 minutes, $28. This is an interesting car carrier, not because he's swerving, but I think this car on the bottom, the Chevrolet, is Equinox. But the license plate is what's really interesting, because that's an out of country.
Maybe they're hauling for somebody.
Yeah.
This is a car guy he colors cars.
RS. Yep, that's an Equinox. How about that?
Yeah.
Same color. That was the worst trying to figure that out. It's supposed to be really easy.
Lightning.
I feel like I'm kind of a matter of fact because I'm kind of scared. I've never done this way before. And so I have to get out of my comfort zone and go somewhere new. I've just been to Jacob's and Uncle Rock's, and I've done that last year in the Leaf. So I'm on to new adventures now in the Blazer. Blazing new roads. Let's go.